including the batch 39. So, okay ba na? Okay ba sa inyo yan? So, yung discard niya yung mga ganyan na certified yung impact. Grabe. Sabihin ko ba? Grabe. So, yan. Kasi siyempre, ulit sila. Lecture dyan. Ang dami na nilang ano dyan. Ang dami nilang pagod, kumbaga. So, alam mo kung sino gusto ko mga palakpakan dito, yung mga lecturers natin, palakpakan natin sila yung mga lecturers natin. Yan sa mga putin yung lahat. Okay, so that that is for our certified energy managers training. Then next slide, please. Then we're introducing to everyone naman yung certified energy, certified auditors training naman, energy auditors training. We are offering already this one, and in fact, we're planning, meron na post na training schedule starting next week. So may training schedule na magsisimula next week. So mga gusto mong humabol, please register. Meron pa po tayong training na mag-start next week. Matatapos yun bago mag-Pasko. Huwag po kayo mag-alala. Hindi na abutin ng Pasko. So please, humabol na po kayo. Okay? Ulitin ko, meron po mag-start na training ng Certified Energy Auditor next week. At matatapos po siya bago mag-Pasko. So please join the CA training. Next slide, please. Okay. Who we are? In fact, Pursuing is a community of passionate energy professionals in the Philippines. We're a non-profit dedicated helping businesses, organizations, and individuals become more energy efficient and environmentally responsible. Yung mga discussions pa lang natin kanina. Ang transportation and discussions and marami pang iba. And contributed to deliver not just yung mga trainings na yung mga business trainings, regular business trainings na nakikita natin. The PCC is committed also to deliver yung mga trainings na pwedeng mag-enhance ng mga kulang pa, yung mga hindi masyadong natatangkol doon sa ating regular trainings. Okay, next slide please. Next slide please. Okay, so siyempre bago matapos ang taon, we would like to thank and recognize all the officers of EMA 4.08 for the year 2024. Palakpakan po natin silang lahat. Contributions. So these are the officers of the EMA 4.08 for the year 2024. So isa-isa natin. Si President Rachel, siyempre, si BP Arjun, then si BP Eric, yours truly, si Sir Joe, si Sir Teddy, si Presberg, si Sir Andy, si Sir Conrad, si Sir Aldri, si Sir JP, si Sir Adrian Ray, si Sir Jonas, si Sir Rodel, at si Sir Joel. Once again, natin sila ng buong puso. Okay. I-introduce na po ng ating President sa kanyang President's Report kung sino yung mga madadagdag na officers at yung mga mapapalitan. Okay, so next slide please. Okay, so ito po yung difference ng impact sa lahat ng RAI. Okay, so hindi tayo lang ipag-compete. We are just stating what is our strength. Yun lang po. Okay? Hindi tayo ipag-compete, but we're just reiterating and restricting what is our strength in NFAP 4.0. So, ang strength po ng NFAP, naman isang expert na lecturers. Okay, so una sa listahan natin ay none other than si Dr. Antonio de la Cruz. Okay, next one, hindi ko lang babasahin. Siyempre, si Sir Raymond Marquez. Next one, please. Siyempre, si Doc Aldrin Calderon. Ayan. Yung iba nakapangiti kasi kilala nila personally yung mga lecturers natin. Okay, next slide, please. We have to set one round of the outdoors siyempre naman, di ba? Next slide, please. Siyempre, si Chris Gray. Si Emilio Benjamin. Next slide, please. Si Sir Joe Bayo, lecturer din natin yan. Next slide, please. Si Dr. Arjun. Ayan. Dr. Arjun. Next slide, please. Si lecturer din natin yan. Okay, next slide, please. Yours truly, nagtuturo din po ako. Next slide, please. Kanina, nag-discuss dito sa harapan natin si Sir Oliver Gagarin. Next slide po. And then we have Sir Joy Anthony Martinez. Next slide po. Pagpala natin Sir Joy, hindi pinakamakan eh. Ayan, so next slide. Sir Joy, hindi. Balik pa naman. Next slide, si Sir Eric Edgardo, palakpakan natin. Then we have also Sir Andy Azucena, palakpakan po natin. Bakit diba? Yan yung Sir NPA. Next slide. We have Sir Joel Herrera. Diba? It's just not matter. Basta gusto mong tumulong, di ba? Okay, so, next slide. Engineer Peter Skulptura. Palakpakan po natin. Then, next slide po. Engineer Neil Yabot. Ayan. From ABS-CBN. Palakpakan po natin. Then, next slide po. We have Sir Gorgonio Tan. Nandito siya kanina. Palakpakan po natin. Then, meron pa, hindi pa tayo tapos. We have Sir Rico Lazaro Dilay. Ayan. Siyempre. Next slide, please. We have Engineer Edgar Gumabong. Ayan. So, baka nandito po kayo, di ba? The next slide po. We have Engineer Leon Ferrer. Ayaw ko nang basahin yung pangalan. Baka mag-gamit pa ako. Malakaran natin. Sir Leon Ferrer. Then we have Engineer Adolf Isbena Gumera. Palakpakan po natin. And I think mayroong last, hindi pa yung last, Engineer Jacob Gabion. Ayan, palakpakan natin. Okay, next please. Engineer Francis Flores. Ayan. Okay, so I think, hirap talaga yung huli. I think, wala, ang dami talaga, di ba? Okay, so I think ito na talaga yung totoo. Si Engineer Tristan Ocampo. Ayan, palakpakan natin silang lahat. Okay, then ito naman yung di ba, ito yung history and fact since 2011, ayan. I-run through na lang natin, meron 26 participants, plus 2, 22, 3, ayan po. Then so on, sige po, next slide. Yun yung mga bansels ng NPAP. Hanggang, sige po, ayan po yung history and fact. Di ba? Saan niyo po yan? Palakpakan niyo po yung mga sarili sa kayo lahat yan. Next slide, please. Okay, hindi ko na po i-discuss yung mga iba na mga details ng activities na NPAP kasi i-discuss po yung presidential mamaya after me. Pero, I'm glad to say na ang NPAP ay nag-deliver ng training, pwedeng online, pwedeng po face-to-face because we are doing face-to-face training now. Specifically for the Certified Energy Auditors training. So, ito, the training, we're conducting it online. Next slide, please. We're conducting online examination, we're conducting face-to-face examination as well. Ayan, so face-to-face po yan. Next slide, please. Promotions to different professional organizations. Tumutulong po ba tayo? Evidence na, mag-resibo po tayo. Tumutulong tayo sa IIE and UPEN and the same. Ngayon, kung hindi ko po na-mention yung persons, yung mga other professional organizations, pwede po, medyo rush po yung aking naging preparation. But I know that natapos natin na nagkakaroon tayo ng connections with other professional organizations dahil tayo po ay binubuo ng iba't ibang mga discipline, hindi lang ng electrical, mechanical, civil, meron din tayo chemical engineering dito. Actually, yung isa sa mga lecturer natin si Dr. Alma, Kemian, di ba? Okay, so yun, marami po yung binubuo tayo ng we are united sa iba't ibang professional organizations. So ito po yung mga engagement sa mga iba't ibang professional organizations. So next slide po. Okay, so we are conducting activities together with the different government agencies. Actually, together with the Department of Energy, we already conducted yung together with the Department of Energy, we delivered the Zone Visayas and Mindanao like before. So, hindi na po bago yung ginagawa natin gano'n na party. And ito yung nangyayari sa amin natin last July na. Next slide. Then, announcement ng ating, itong December, na nangyari, hindi siya growing, natupad yung ating Grand General Membership Meeting. nagkita-kita po tayo. Sa totoo lang, kanina naririnig ko, enough na daw kay baby, hindi na tayo kasya. Totoo ba yun? Sisikat kayo kanina. So, tignan natin, pag-uusapan ko. Next slide, please. Ayan, so ito naman yung nakaka-excite. Huwag naman natin nakalimutan pasalamatan ang ating mga student chapters. Palapakan natin sila. And, the dedication of the all officers ng NPAP, especially yung mga tumulong talaga para makabuo ng student organization. Ito yung buhay na totoo na dedicated talaga si NPAP na hindi lang yung deliver ng training talaga para matupad yung advocacy ng government. Even sa students, sinisimulan na rin natin. So, next slide. Bukod po doon, yan, practitioners daw, tama po. Bukod po doon, sorry, pag-ibalik, nag-start na rin po tayo mag-create ng professional chapter na nabanggit po kayo na na-recognize na po. Okay, so next slide. We have participations in different events related to energy, efficiency, and conservation. Ayan, so we are attending those kinds of activities. Like this one, those of the 10 million solar rooftop challenge attended by our president, First Rachel. Next page. Then, ito naman yung Earth Hour sa mga pinsan na nastayan. Next page po. Kasali pa rin po yan doon, isang event yan. Next slide. Engaging future generations of engineers information drive lectures. Ayan, so nag-discuss tayo ng mga information drives and educational topics relating to energy management sa mga students. Sinisimulan natin sa students. Freedom of sharing, professional development. Ito, minsan kasi may mga hindi natutupik doon sa ating training. So, siyempre, kailangan natin magkaroon ng additional information. Nagkakaroon na po tayo ng ganitong activity. Like this, Green Hydrogen Energy Forum, conducted last May 31, 2024. Okay. Next slide. Then, monthly, we're doing our regular Board of Trustees meeting para mas maganda po namin ang aming operations. Next slide. Okay, ito na. Ito yung importante. So, hindi ko papatapusin yung aking sharing discussing to you this one. So, this data comes from the Department of Energy talaga sa kanilang analysis niya. So, October 31, 2024, meron na pong certified energy managers na 995 sa kanilang database. Okay? Ano po ang Philippines yan? Then, they have 294 CCAs and 148 CCOs. Ngayon, the challenge is, with that number, ang dami kanina, di ba? Ilan yung kayo nito? 700 plus. Ilan kaya dito yung 995? So, lahat po na nag-graduate sa NPAP, nagpupursige din po na magpa-certify kay Department of Energy. Okay po ba yun? Please, para makatulong po tayo. And syempre, matulungan din natin yung ating mga sarili. Then, syempre, naniniwala tayo na ayaw natin i-claim na majority of that number comes from us, pero magiging naman yung number na nag-graduate sa atin since the last one. So, hindi ko claim dahil tinanong ko rin kay Department of Energy, hindi na pwedeng sabihin sa mga RTI kung sino yung majority doon. Hindi na talaga pwede. Kung gusto mo, sabi nila sa akin, magkaroon kayo ng sariling tracking. Alam ng graduate ninyo, i-survey nyo. Yun, pwede mo nagaling sa amin, hindi pwede, sabi nila gano'n. Okay, so, and meron na po 11 na certified energy auditors na RTI, then meron na rin 11 na RTI for certified energy managers. Ayan, so, may 11 na sa market. Next slide. Ito naman yung isa sa mga pinaka-importante na announcement. Hindi po kayo na-certify na po kayo noon, noong 2022, ay forever na po yung inyong certification. Siguro ito malinaw po lahat sa atin na meron pong expiration yung ating recognition sa Department of Energy. Bakit? Kasi kailangan po natin mag-upgrade ng ating mga knowledge, yung trends and issues, kung ano yung mga kailangan natin na i-improve ba doon sa mga natutunan natin dati. Actually, ito na pa rin yung ating module para sa certification. So, the certification maximum 24 hours, 3 days. Minimum of 2 days. So sa mga
Pero,
magpapaskil po kami ng registration, please support NPAC 4.0. Kinuha niyo po yung inyong CEM training sa NPAC. We're hoping that you will also get your certification sa NPAC. Maasahan po ba namin yun? But hindi lang naman ito na promise because we are doing our best really to answer the gap. Ano yung mga kailangan? We are collaborating with the Department of Energy. Siyempre, lahat naman ng RTI, gano'n. But we are doing our best na lahat talaga ng mga sasama doon sa modules na yun ay sulit na sulit. Kasi ito talaga magagamit po ninyo bilang mga energy managers. Alam niyo po, magpapalito nila kung may mga time na stricto ang implementation ni NPAC. Alam niyo po, ito ay nagpapatunay na committed si NPAC na talagang magbigay ng totoong solusyon. Kasi kung we will just let you pass and then have your certifications na parang wala lang, kung ito hindi masyadong natutunan, hindi po tayo magiging masyadong effective na mga energy managers and energy auditors. So we're doing our best kasi nagkakaroon din kami ng meeting with the Department of Energy, nagagalit sila. Bakit yung mga ganitong mga nag-graduate, hindi sila marunong gumawa ng report? O tapos mga kami mura. Ngayon, saan nag-reflect yun? Saan ba nag-graduate yun? Okay, so sana intindihin nyo rin po kung bakit nag-i-strict din yung inyong RTI. Okay? So, magtulungan po tayo. We are launching our trainings. We have certified energy manager trainings. We have certified energy auditor trainings, recertification for CEM, and recertification for CEA. So, para i-support niyo po lahat ng mga programs ng NPAC 4.0. Next please po. Okay, so for details, alam niyo po kung paano nyo abutin sa NPAC. Isa lang po yung gusto kong ipakiusap ngayon bago po kayo umuwi. Please open your cell phones and search NPAC 4.0 sa Facebook and like it. Kasi hindi pa nakalag lahat ng members. Meron po tayong page sa Facebook. Uwi po yun at active. I-search nyo lang po, NPAC 4.0E. Ang kanyang logo ay ito. Ito po yung mismo kanya. Makikita nyo yung pangalan sa kalogo. Please, i-search nyo na po ngayon at i-like nyo po para you will be posted and updated kung ano po yung announcement ni NPAC. So yun lang po. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig and please support us. Okay, our national president and versus okay, and putting together all this that we've heard is so crucial part of the program to be able to be ambassadors of NPAC 4.0. As we deliver what it is in it, there are those who will join NPAC 4.0. Of course, we would like to appreciate the grouping of all this information. And this award of appreciation is given to Engineer Harry Alan Meraskin, Secretary of NPAC 4.0 for being a partner in a request for sustainable energy management joint presentation. What is in it for you in NPAC 4.0? Okay. Now, let's raise our level for the call to order.
Hello. Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. Several members of NPAC 4.0 as regular members in good standing, lifetime members, and then honorary members and corporate members. Okay. As the 2024 National President of NPAC 4.0, I now call this December 2024 General Grand General Fellowship Meeting to order. The last and the final. Bago ko deliver yung final report ng NPA Corporate Bureau, we have here a gift certificate from Bayview Park Hotel. It's an overnight stay for two in a superior room with buffet breakfast. Pwede nyo gamitin hanggang December 31, 2026. Please give your siguro name card or business card gift collect para hindi naman yung nasa mirror para wala kayong kasama din. May kasama din. Okay. So, yun. Yes. Okay. So, ayun, ang ating konting accomplishments for the past 12 months. For the past 11 months. Next, please. So we have internal affairs. All the internal affairs is for the membership that we have. For all the members of NPA Corporate Bureau. Also for the external affairs, ito po yung mga partnership na ginagawa natin with outside partners and then syempre, partners that we have. And then for all the new businesses, and then some announcements. Please. Okay. So every month, we have, I'm sorry, every other month, we have a CEM training. So, nagkaroon tayo ng Certified Energy Manager training po ng 6 for the year. So, alternate po siya. So, we have this one for January. Ito yung batch ng January. Next. We have a courtesy call sa DOE on January 16. Next. We have the induction ceremony at the House of the Senate last January din po. So, hopefully this coming year, 2025, yung ating induction ceremony is with Senator Pia Cayetano kasi siya yung next na committee chair for the energy. So, yun. And then we have also a another circular and Department Circular update with Attorney Patrick last February. So, updated po tayo, lahat ng mga members. So, yung mga hindi nag-updated kung ano yung batch ninyo, pakisabi po din nyo sa amin para include po kayo sa ating group. And then, subscribe na rin po sa Viber channel natin para updated po kayo and sa Facebook. So, next, please. Meron din po tayong training with the members. So, basically, the role of the professional electrical engineer is energy efficiency and conservation practice. So, we do have something like this apart from the CEM. Para dun sa ating mga members. Next, please. This one is for Mars CEM. Next, we have also conducted the energy efficiency conservation roles and responsibilities of electrical engineering professionals promoting energy efficient practice. So, yun na doon kay Dean, our VP for International Government. So, we have also participated in Energy Forum, that's what it's called. And then, siguro another technical next, after po tayo, since last year, so, pinagpupunta tayo ng Makati City for the third hour. Last year, 2023, most of the topics are from delivered the help of Corporate Bureau. this year, we had 11 participants. And sorry, lead for the event of the third hour. So, kasama din sa Mars, ito, we have the CEM. So, every other month po yun. And then, ito, that's for May. Next please. Meron din po the Green Hydrogen Energy Forum. So, ito, moderator natin si Sir Mahali, and then host natin si Sir Jonas. It's a free. It's not for the developers. This is an activities. Ito, RA 11.5 awareness seminar. And online exam. So, online exam last August. Then October. Now, energy summit natin ito mid-year. This is the same place. Every month we have our regular BOD meeting. Okay? Last, we are invited by Pambansa Samahan ng Indian Mechanical Team. So, kasama na rin po natin. That's why earlier we called them as our partner. Yung mga nakatawag po natin mga partners, we have already made an initial partnership with them. And then, meron po sila mga activities we are invited. And this coming May 19 to 20 plus 25 at the SMX Convention, meron applying solar and storage like Philippines. And in fact, is a partner. And you, Telecoms members will receive unlimited complimentary passes to attend the event. And speaking opportunities for all the NPAC members. So we have that. We have the opportunity to locate potential speakers for the conference. We have the power. And then, next week. Okay. So, CM. September. Partner po tayo sa Sikhay Lingkod ng UP Diliman. So, kasama po. Meron po talaga yung UP Diliman, nagbigay sa akin ng news para i-present ko ano yung initiatives na ginagawa natin para corporation. So, we are part of that initiatives. Kasama din ko sa partner natin yung Philippine Green Building Council. Sir John Lenier, sasabi na? Diba? Nung nagkaroon mo sila ng event sa Davao, we also sent a participant from Telpa Corporation. So we are part of that. So kung titignan po ang kanilang website, nandun po yung logo natin. Because we're already part of it. Next, so malapit na malapit mo December. Next, please. We have launched the batch 1 of Saya Treno. So, this is the term na 2024 na DOT. So, for the batch of the next coming years, sorry. Mayroon tayo sa mga panibagong mga trainings para mag-import ang ating capability sa alumni and top graduates. So, this is November. Congratulations to our vice chair, Conrad, please stand up. And it's the record please. So you have the Electric Technical Commission, ITC, that's November 2023, represent. And that's part of the Puyo International Relations. The environmental awareness forum at Bulacan sa Mother Teresa Academy. So we had this. We had the forum with the students. The future decision makers will be aware about their responsibilities when it comes to the energy efficiency and conservation in compliance with RA 11 to 85 of course. DP naman kay Dean, and our very own VP for External Affairs kay BBR sa PBI. So thanks, Sir Harry, for that initiative. And November, sorry po yun. So, even we also have a student affairs committee. So, si Chair Adrian naman po ang nagsisin para doon sa student affairs. Next, again, we attended also the DOE RTI awarding ceremony with Valentina, with Valentina. And you may know na yung mga RTI din, pero RTI that we are friends with them. Di ba, ma'am? We're friends with them. And that's also what the DOE wants with us. Kasi magkakaroon tayo ng friendly competition, di ba? Para elevate pa yung bawat organization. So, we have started the what do you call it, the friendship, and also with the advanced IT solutions, di ba? And ito rin kanina yung Meralco Academy, so we're friends with everyone, okay? So no issues, ha? Okay, next, attended with Valentina also, with other fellow RTIs dito sa LDE, para sa assembly ng RTI. So we do have assembly, the led by the DOE itself. So we will go to the po tayo. Next. So that's now the Grand Energy Summit. Congratulations everyone for this effort. Meron ka ba? Okay, so membership committee natin, we would like to thank Chair Del. So we have 36 associate members. We have 402 regular members. Pero kung ako 402, parang ang bumoto lang, nasa more or less 300. Sino hindi nakaboto na members in good standing? So ayun naman yung boto nyo. And then we have the lifetime members. We have the honorary members. So isa si Dr. Lopez, ating honorary members. Kasama na sina Senator Wing Gatchalian, yung nakakapag-contribute sa atin. So we have different members. We have also student members. And we have the TUP, Laguna University, we have the Santa Mesa, and then we have one professional chapter ng South Luzon. So pwede po tayo mag-add para mas marami tayo, mas masaya. Diba? And then, corporate member meron isa. So, pwede ko mag-add para maganda sa networking. Okay, next. Membership committee, we have mid-year general membership meeting sa Grand GMM every year one. And OTT ceremony, dalawang beses. Sinasabi natin sa read and read. And then induction and turnover ceremonies. And then membership meetings. Nakalima tayo. Next, we have also the GAP, chaired by Engineer Aldrin Calderon, the Dean sa Mapua, co-chaired ni Chair Donuts. Next, we have also the Grievance Committee. We have Engineer Roland Vasquez as one of the members. Papakita ko lang po sa iyo, run through lang namin sa inyo the committees that we have. Standing committees and then the ad hoc committees. Para naman po, baka gusto nyo pong maging part ng committees, maging part ng ating mga committee, and then magiging part po the next year po, sa susunod na taon, pwede na po kayo maging part ng ating Board of Trustees. Kailangan meron po kayo 1 year na membership na handle para po kayo maging part ng ating BOT. Baka po, meron po kayong mga innovation, mga programs na gusto para ma-improve pa natin at gumanda pa yung NPAC conference nyo. Next, we have also the Best Practice Committee led by our very own Chair Joel. Okay, next, Audit and Advisory Committee. We have next, the discussion projects. Chaired by our 2023 President, Bernie Villegas, and co-chair si Engineer Conrad. Next. Student Affairs, so we have July 3 and then February na na student affairs na training. Next, we have also business development chaired by our very own engineer JP Escultura. So siya po yung led sa lahat ng mga business development programs and partnership. And then, sa tingin ko para sa ating continuing professional development, CPD, we have applied already sa PRC. So next, baka na tayo. Baka mid-year na. Or para sa ating CEM and then sa SENA, magkakaroon na tayo. We have applied it already this year. And next, international relations, partnership with Chair Conrad. So meron tayong international exhibition and conferences and with ACE. So we are partner with the Sales Center for Energy. Yung kanina yung nag-provide ng message live from Indonesia. Next, we have the emerging technologies. We have the chair, si Chair Manny, tayo ulit. So, pagdating po sa ating mga renewable energy, awareness, nag-give po tayo for the C40 project for renewable energy in Quezon City. So, meron pong repeat this coming January. So, we wanted to support kasi we upgraded already our fuel jets from, I don't know, red color to platinum. Next. Yeah, we have some important dates, January 20, the presentation. Please table and calendar. 2025, we're planning for the oath-taking ceremony. 2026, so we might change from the second meeting to September PM Cayetano. I'm looking forward to the meeting, maybe it will start for the March meeting. Next, please. Ito yung mga president's courtesy call natin. 2016, we launched the $10 million rooftop. So kasi kaya, kapartner po natin yung Center for Energy, Ecology, and Development. And then, Green Energy Forum, we have also the DOE public hearing, meron tayo sa Maputo University Electrical Engineering Alumni Association courtesy meeting. Thank you, Ms. Gracie, for the arrangement. We have also the Field Energy Technical Forum. So, speaker po natin na si Arjun. So, yun yung mga other engagement natin na ginawa this year. So, hindi naman tayo masyado napagod. Kaya, pwede pa po tayong mag-join para mas malaki tayong magagawa altogether. And then other new opportunities, we have the new Nexus, new energy Nexus, developing the energy community in Northern Mindanao. Has a great potential in building their capabilities in promoting energy efficiency and conservation. So it's the Northern Mindanao, we have the opportunity for that. Yung para sila yung mga company na nasa incubation stage on this kind of promotion. We also have the partnership with the ABB Technology Day, and they have also planned for your students, kung sino yung mga nasa academy dito, if you have an engineering students. And by the way, may mga organization na tayo, katulad po ng company ng Twin, the Mr. JP, na nangangailangan din ng mga engineers. So, pag baka meron kayo ng mga friends, in your family na kailangan engineering job. We have also the Gen and PI Energy meeting with the company. Next, please. Okay. So here's our, as of October 2024, here's our financial status. We have our total liability, 2.3. That's our liabilities. And then we have 2.3 the same with the asset. This is audited. Next. It's from our external auditor. Next, please. And then, I have the next, please. Correct ano lang?
Sa lahat.
Sa lahat. So, 2.1. So, 3% na lang namin ulit ang Depende ka lang. Okay. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. And then, meron pa po akong idadagdag. So, this year po, aside from the CM, we launched the SEA. I'm proud because na-launch po ito sa term ng 2024 na BOT. And then, we have also a SEA, scholarship for the 2024 BOT. That's only for the 2024 na magkakapag-take this 2024. So, kapag hindi kayo mag-take this 2024 for PTEC na yun. So, wala na yun. And then, yung mga AMAS trainers po natin, waive po ang kanilang renewal ng certificate. Kaya mag-member kayo, maging active member po kayo. And then yung mga BOT natin for 2024, ang kanilang mga CEM refresher course, kasi yung batch 30 ba? 30 batch 30 kababa, na 3 days lang yung CEM. Yung batch 29 po, pababa, 3 days lang po ang CEM nun. So, required na DOE na 7 days. So, yung mga nag-take po ng, what do you call this, ng CEM sa NPAC, pag mag-refresh kayo ng course ninyo, meron kami special rate for you. So, dito na kayo mag-take ng inyong refresher course sa NPAC para hindi na buong training yung babayaran nyo. And then, good news din, sa 2024 BOT na, nag-take ng CEM below, batch 29? Like me, batch 22 po ako, kami po ni Sec Harry, magkaklase po kami. So, free po ang aming refresher course dahil BOT kami. So, please, mag-member po kayo sa ating mga committees and then, mag-ano rin po kayo, mag-BOT din po kayo, please. And then, yun, 2024 refresher course para sa 2024 BOT. So marami pa po, for sure, marami pa po mga magagandang opportunity and programs para sa ating mga members and then sa ating mga partners and then friends and then ano pa ba, sa ating mga magiging officers and BOT na gagawin. Kaya please, be active and join us para sa upcoming events. Lalo-lalo na po sa 2025. Dapat po, mas higitan pa natin yung mga activities and achievements natin for 2024. Tama ba? 2025 BOTs? Okay. So, alam ko mas ano yun, mas double, mas gagalingan pa namin. Mas gagalingan pa ng 2025 Board of Trustees. Kasi nandyan po kayo. Nandyan po yung mga magiging active members natin and then active members. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay. So, thank you much for SCEV.